Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Apple gift card to Apple Cash and whether or not it is possible to do. Now if you want to seek the quick answer of whether or not it is possible, so let me tell you that at this moment it is not possible for you to add your Apple gift card to Apple Cash. So in this situation what you can do is you can simply use your Apple gift card in various ways. So I will show you the first method of using your Apple gift card is that you can use the balance to purchase the apps, music, movies, TV shows, ebooks, and audiobooks on these platforms. There are many apps within the App Store that allows you in-app purchases like subscriptions, additional content, or viral items. So you can use your gift card in order to purchase those as well. Your gift card balance can also be used to pay the subscriptions to Apple services like iCloud Storage, Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, Apple Arcade, and Apple Fitness. So alternatively, you can also use your Apple gift card in various ways. For example, depending on your local laws and regulations, you might be able to sell your unused gift card to someone else for cash. So online marketplaces and local classifieds can be options for this, but be cautious of scams and ensure you are following local rules. If I talk about some of the additional points that you can use is Apple gift card cannot be redeemed for cash except as required by the law. Partially used gift cards still retain their remaining balance and can be used for future purchases. If you would like to add funds directly to your Apple Cash for sending or receiving money or making purchases, you will need to use other methods like linking a debit card to your Apple Cash account or receiving money from another Apple Cash user. So at this moment, you can only sell your Amazon gift card to someone else and you can ask them for cash. Other than this, there is no online method of sending or transferring your Apple gift card to Apple Cash. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.